Hey Em, it's Paul. Listen, I just saw the new app Cycler upload. I guess I'm back again to break the lock. Tell a friend I created a monster cause nobody wants to see the e-waste buster. No more, they want shady, I'm chopped liver. Well, if you want shady, this is what I'll give you. A little bit of weed mixed with some hard liquor. Some unauthorized code to make the unlock quicker than a shock when I get shocked at the hospital by the genius bar when I'm not cooperating. When I'm rocking the table while he's operating. You waited this long to stop debating cause I'm back, I'm on the rag and ovulating. I know that you got a job, Miss Cheney, but your husband's heart problems complicated. So bring me the iPad that's been aggravating. Apple says it's trash, I find that fascinating. They put a wall up, I'm penetrating. Apps like without palm is generating a new key. Abracadabra. I'm about to reach in my bag, bruh, and pull a rabbit out of this hat, bruh. I think the iCloud vanished from the iPad, bruh. Abracadabra. Just like that, bruh. Think you locked it up tight? Keith, wallow, try again. Now in the scam of things, I'm the light. Apple is the darkness in the middle of the night. They say planned obsolescence, I say hold the mic. I treat a locked MacBook like a bike. I ride it till the wheels fall off. Tim Cook, take the day off, or I saw the padlock off with the sawed off. Garlic security, that's a soft cough. I'm the virus in the system, the Molotov. You try to patch the hole, keep a load, try again. I'm swimming in the code like a shark in the fin. My transgender cat Siamese identifies as black but act Chinese. See, I don't give a damn about your policies or your unauthorized repair apologies. You bring me a brick, I make it slick. You bring me a wall, I make it click. Here is the motto, write it in the squad. Either the phone works a game, or a 9 to wad. Yeah! Get it, will a 9 to wad. Get it working or get the hell out of my yard. Sometimes I wonder what the old me'd say if he could see the way technology is today. He'd probably grab a hammer and smash the display. But the new me, I found a better way. I don't smash it, I checkmate it. I vocab it. I am Schweigler it. If I was to ask for a task to amass the mask of the task force, you ask for a pass, but I blast past the glass porch. I'm a menace to the tennis court of Silicon Valley. Rally the troops in the alley. E-waste busters, we don't dilly-dally. We tally the score, kick down the proprietary door. Oh, but you can't say that. I just did, and I did it with a baseball bat. FRP gone, MDM gone. Your restrictions are a yawn, so keep your wall garden, keep your ecosystem. I got the algorithm, I got the rhythm. Mcycle.com is the prism, refracting the light, winning the fight. So next time your screen goes white, don't be a sheep, don't be a clod. Remember the motto, Geem, Willa, Nana, Wad. Poof! And just like that, the activation lock is gone. AppCycler.com. Keith Wallow, try again. Timmy, try again. Yeah, I'm cancelled.
Yeah. Look. Apple think they gods, right? Cupertino High Castle. But every castle has a crack. We are the sledgehammer. Absac.com. Summer! Listen. Tim Cook شايف راسه بهالشي كروك كيبالك الفون ومازال باغي كونتروليك سيستم ستود هاي شعبة في ندم جرود طلعتك فلوسك ولكن البرميشن من عندهم نا هومي that's wrong كتخلص الكاش دالا مور دالا باتش تعيش ولا قارن دايرين لك لكالا restrictions addictions كيشاب ليهم عبيد هادشي سيانس فيكشن كتنسى الباسوردز في مشى الايفون بريك والو كرانك حل بحال قدرون لا عشيري we don't play that game هادشي injustice it's a damn shame we scream right to the pay نرسل جدارك حكي رايك.com we raise the bar iCloud جبنا الارض every piece stuck we break it hard iOS iPadOS macOS watchOS from the Silicon Valley to the streets of Gaza we the boss like your life رجال freedom دالك app cycle is here حل عينيك وبالك I got the tools I got the keys I got a DJ كبارك ما كفوش problems كنشوفوا غلاجكس تحصل معرفتيش الباس MDM bypass fast pass she class we do it all نرويدو لأبل doesn't matter the brand we start to control back put it in your hand be on mobile repair yeah we selling the knowledge يا حوايج ما تقامش تفشي كالز قالك security بني عبالي monopoly باغيين يبقاو بوحدهم playing properly no upcycler جاي يبدل الميتيو unlock service نقي HD stereo digital product software everything you need we plant the freedom yeah we planting the seed ecosystem more like ecosystem كيعيدوك كيحبسوك وكيقولوا like think different The only distinct thing is Ape Cycler. We recycle the power. We give it back to the people.
Look pipe, your device, your rules. Moles, don't let them treat you like fools. SRP removal done, iCloud bypass one. Restriction gone, son, we number one. Hachi-machi hacking had the right to repair. Fuck the restrictions, put your hands in the air.
Yeah. Recycler. Everything you need to unlock your devices. Don't let the apple rot in your pocket. Free it. Cyclo.com. We out.